Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, does SoFi do a hard credit check for loans? This is a crucial question for anyone considering a personal loan with SoFi, as a hard credit check can temporarily lower your credit score. The short answer is yes, SoFi does perform a hard credit check for loan applications, but it depends on where you are in the application process. Here's a breakdown of how the credit check process works for SoFi personal loans. Step 1. Pre-qualification. When you first check your rates and terms to see what you qualify for, SoFi uses a soft credit pull. What this means, a soft credit pull lets them view your credit file to give you an estimated interest rate and loan amount. Impact on your credit score. A soft credit pull will not affect your credit score at all. This allows you to shop around and compare rates without any risk. Step 2. Final application and approval. If you like the estimated rate and terms and choose to proceed with a formal application for the loan, SoFi will then conduct a hard credit pull. What this means, a hard credit pull gives the lender full access to your credit file to make a final lending decision. This is a standard procedure for almost all lenders when you formally apply for a new loan or line of credit. Impact on your credit score. A hard credit pull may cause a small, temporary drop in your credit score, typically by a few points. Hard inquiries remain on your credit report for about 2 years, but they stop affecting your score after about 12 months. Summary. To summarize the SoFi loan credit check process. Checking your rate, pre-qualification, equals soft credit pull, no impact on your credit score. Submitting a formal application equals hard credit pull, may cause a small, temporary drop in your credit score. So, while you can check your eligibility and rate with SoFi worry-free, be aware that committing to a formal application will result in a hard inquiry on your credit report. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.